Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Freshers Now. In today's video, you are going to get all the information regarding SSC stenographer post, the exam pattern and also the syllabus. This video will cover up these three sections. Number 1 is selection process, number 2 is exam pattern and number 3 is detailed syllabus, which is going to cover all the topics which you need to know for preparing for this post. And the selection process is going to be a computer based test, and this computer based test is totally objective. And number 2, it is skill test in stenography, and SSC stenography exam is conducted by the Staff Selection Commission, and this examination is conducted to recruit eligible candidates for stenographer post of grade C and grade D as well. The exam pattern is as follows. Please follow the screen so that you will not miss any kind of detailed information which is present here. For stenographer CBT sections, general awareness has 50 questions with 50 marks, general intelligence and reasoning again with 50 questions, 50 marks, English language comprehension 100 questions with 100 marks. So overall you will get 200 questions with 200 marks. Now candidates, please note that you have to complete the CBT exam in 2 hours and 1 mark is awarded for each right answer, and if you have attempted any wrong answer, 0.25 marks will be deducted from that particular answer. So there is a negative marking for every wrong answer that you give. The written examination will comprise of the objective type questions, as I've already mentioned. The written test is computer based and objective. All the questions except English language will set in both the languages English and Hindi. So only the English section of this exam will have the questions in English. Other than the English section, you can take either in English language or Hindi language. The exam pattern for skill test is as follows. Please note that tier 2 shorthand skill test will be conducted on both paper and computer as well. The candidates will be dictated a passage, and now the candidates have to note it down on a piece of paper and transcribe it on a computer. So the language dictation can be either in Hindi or English as well, according to the preferences that you choose. So while filling the application form, please be careful or please be aware what language are you choosing, because if you choose a particular language, either Hindi or English, the dictation or the examination further will take place in that particular language which you have chosen. Failing to fill the language of dictation, the candidates will then have to take the skill test in English. So if you have not tick marked any of your particular choice of language, the skill test however will be continued in English as well. So SSC stenographer exam pattern for skill test is as follows. For first task, 10 minutes dictation in English or Hindi. Again, please note that you have the choice of preferring the language that you want for dictation. If you have not seen that criteria of ticking your language in the application form, the skill test will take place in English directly. You will not have choice furthermore. So before you submit the application form, recheck twice in your application form that you have chosen that particular language for the exam. So for grade C, 100 words will be dictated per minute. For grade D, 80 words will be dictated per minute. And for transcription of the dictation on a computer, for a grade C, 40 minutes for English and 55 minutes for Hindi will be given. For grade D, 50 minutes for English and 65 minutes for Hindi will be followed. It is to be noted that the person with disabilities such as blindness or locomotory disability and cerebral palsy will have different time allotment. So forever who are under this category, please make note that you will be given a set of different time limit for completing your examination. For the transcription of dictation, the stenographer grade C, candidates will get 55 minutes for English and 75 minutes for Hindi, and for grade D, candidates will get 70 minutes for English and 90 minutes for Hindi. This is especially for the candidates with disability. After taking the notes on the paper, the candidates will then have to transcribe the passage on a computer, as I've mentioned in the information in the previous screen. So then the time allotted for transcribing is given in the table below. Please stick on to the screen so that you will not miss the details. For grade C post, for English language, time duration is 40 minutes and time for candidates with scribe is 55 minutes. And for grade C, for Hindi language, 55 minutes will be given, and for the candidates who have a scribe, 75 minutes. Grade D English, 50 minutes. For a candidate with scribe, 70 minutes, and for grade D Hindi, 65 minutes and 90 minutes for a candidate who has a scribe. Now let us see what is the syllabus or what are the topics that you need to be aware of for your preparation for CBT. For general intelligence and reasoning, topics like analogies, similarities, differences, space visualization, problem solving, analysis, judgment, decision making, and you will, for general awareness, you have to be prepared in sports, history, culture, geography, economics, polity including Indian constitution, etc. For English language, vocabulary, grammar, synonyms, antonyms, reading comprehension, para-jumbles, etc. So I hope this video is helpful for you all. If you have any of your friends who are thinking to take up this examination, make sure you pass it on this video for them so that it will be helpful for them as well. If you have any doubts or if you need any clarification regarding the post or details, you can put it down in the comment section below so that we will answer your queries soon. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel Freshers Now for more learning and placement videos here at one place.